Hi everybody. Oop, hold on. There we go. There we go. Okay. Hi everybody. Welcome back to another food review on vlogging channel. My name is Nick Manzoni. Thank you so much for joining me today, folks. And folks, I want to welcome you back to another edition of Subway Sundays. And if you don't know what Subway Sundays is, every Sunday or thereabouts, every Sunday, I explore the menu at Subway, being that new creations, custom hacks, or anything I see on the menu. And we just reviewed the ultimate cheesy garlic bread sandwich, and that was a big hit. Now, let's move on to something that I think smells incredible, and you may already see that Subway, every so often they release new cookies, and today is no different. So this is the mint chocolate chip cookie. Oh my god, this looks so good. See, there's little pieces of mint in here. I don't know how they did that. I can talk. I don't know how they did that, but I'm just gonna try this and see what it tastes like. So let's go in for a bite of the mint chocolate chip cookie, mint chocolate chip cookie from Subway. Let's go. Oh. Does not look good. Wow. The mint is awesome. It's not too chocolatey. The mint overpowers the chocolate a bit, which I like. Oh. Man, let's go. I don't know if you can see it now. Oops. But there's actually a piece of mint inside. Wow. Oops. Well, I'm trying to get mint out of my... There we go. Okay. So, that was very refreshing. I gotta be honest, that was very refreshing. It was light. It wasn't too crispy. It wasn't too powerful on the chocolate, but it was just right. Perfect to cookie. And if I were to give that a rating on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being awful and 10 being awesome, I'm going to give the new Subway mint chocolate chip cookie perfect 10 out of 10, which makes today the perfect Subway day. Oh my lord, probably the first time in history where we got to experience the perfect Subway day. But in accordance to this, the ultimate cheesy garlic bread sub and the mint chocolate chip cookie, this is the two best things, in my opinion, that Subway has released on their menu, and I hope they keep this around, because this is incredible. This is awesome, and I highly recommend. If nothing else, go to your local Subway, get yourself a mint chocolate chip cookie. You will not be disappointed, I tell you that, folks. Well, folks, I wanted to thank you for joining me for Subway Sundays. You guys are awesome. Please like, please share, please subscribe to all my videos. And until next time, folks, from the Food App, this will do it for another edition of Subway Sundays. And I hope you have a good day. And I will see you guys later on. Take care.